Here at Georgetown, in our Public Relations and Communications program, we talk about the big issues. We talk about health, science, AI, the metaverse, politics, anything and everything that is out there in the public sphere where we know our students are going to be working to influence behavior change. We teach that.
The curriculum is based on things that are currently happening in the industry. So we get to work on campaigns, build up strategies, tactics that would benefit a client in today's society.
Georgetown prides itself on its Jesuit identity. So that can look at things like interfaith dialogue or emphasis on the whole person or lifelong learning, a commitment to service. And those are values that are important to me personally. And I really wanted to find myself in an institution that I felt aligned with my personal values. And I do think that I found that at Georgetown.
One of the best parts about the PRCC graduate program for me as a working professional was being able to use my own employer for my final capstone project, which is a large-scale strategic communications plan. Because of that, I was able to align everything that I did over 3 years at Georgetown with everything that I'm doing day to day in my job, add direct value to my business, which actually provided tuition reimbursement for me to attend the program, and increase my visibility to the executive suite. I would not have been able to accelerate that if it wasn't for the PRCC graduate program.